Hey, it's Brian Stephens with eXp Realty. I'm excited to show you 1403 East Edgewood Drive. Fantastic location. This is an adorable house. Let's go take a look at it. So when you first walk in this home, it has got really nice entrance appeal. You've got a huge living room with lots of natural light. All the work has been done, updated flooring, nice window treatments. The windows are newer. And whenever you check this kitchen out, you're gonna just fall in love with these granite countertops. These are slow closed drawers in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, sink, dishwasher, brand new microwave. There's an inside laundry room right off the kitchen area with a mudroom area, which leads into the two-car carport. There's also a 12 by 12 dining area that is really nice to share meals with your family. When you go down the hallway, you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. All the bedrooms are nice size, double windows, plenty of natural light. The ceilings have been textured. Gotta love some of the originality of these bathrooms. They last forever. The master bedroom is in the rear of the home, and it has a sliding glass door which overlooks the completely fenced backyard. By the way, there's no homeowners association, which is gonna make a lot of people happy. Bring your work vehicles, let the kids play outside with nobody griping at you. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian.